Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're told in the figure that we're given, BD is parallel to AE. We're asked, given this information and the lengths we have here, what is the length of AE? So what we know is that we have corresponding angles here. So we have two parallel lines, or line segments, and we know that means they make the same angle with the same line. So both of BD and AE intersect CE, so we know they make the same angle both times. Same thing here, when they intersect CA, they're going to make the same angle both times, and therefore with triangle CBD and triangle CAE, so that's this triangle right here, and then the big one, these triangles are similar because they have two pairs of equal angles. Therefore, the side lengths are proportional. So for this side, we have CD for the little triangle, and then the big one is CE, the whole thing. And we're looking for the length of AE, which is the bottom side of the big one, and the corresponding one would be the bottom side of the little one, which is BD. The length of CD is 12. The length of CE, the whole thing, is 12 plus another 6, which is 18. This is equal to BD is 10, and then we're looking for AE. So now we can just multiply, and we have 12 times AE is equal to 18 times 10, 180, divided by 12. These cancel, and we get AE is equal to 180 divided by 12, which is 15. So the length of AE in this figure is 15. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.